And in this, I just remembered something, that the Hizb ut-Tahrir, for them, they, for example, compromise the beard of theirs. They don't have beards. And when we say to them, the Prophet of Allah, Amara, he commanded to grow the beard, they say that not every command, it means it is compulsory. Okay, so that is a wrong principle like this. Not every command. It's supposed to be every command, it means compulsory, unless there is something would make it not compulsory. But for them, not every command is compulsory. So the person who was working in an institute or a factory, the boss is the Hizb ut-Tahrir, and there was a person who is a layman. Layman considered to be Salafis. And this layman, at the time of Sheikh Al-Albani, when he was in Syria, he used to say to the Sheikh, that this person is commanding me to do things which are not right. So he says that, for example, I'm telling him that the beard is compulsory. He said to me, not every command means it's compulsory. What should I do? So Sheikh Al-Albani knows that this layman hasn't got the tools of a scholar or knowledgeable person to debate in knowledge. So he gave him a remedy, a cure, in which he can defeat the argument of that person with simple words. So he said to him, do the following. So the person, his name by the way was Abu Muhammad. So this person went to the company, and now he's going to implement what the Sheikh Al-Albani told him. So basically, this boss of his started calling Abu Muhammad, and he's pretending that he's not able to listen, he's not to hear. Abu Muhammad twice, 3, 4 times, he's not listening. Abu Muhammad, why are you not listening? Why are you not coming? He said, not every command means compulsory, so I don't need to come. So that is to demolish his argument. So if you just said that, I didn't think that when you call me Muhammad, come here, it's a command. So if you are, a person who's telling me this, then I'm going to treat you the same way. So that is how you could demolish the arguments of these people intellectually.